VEMASS is Valcom's enterprise management and security software, which is actually a suite of software products that allows you to manage an enterprise system from the day-to-day aspects of your communication system to emergencies and dealing with how do we communicate with people in emergency situations.
VEMASS is for your entire organization, your entire district. It's not just for one person. It's for the facilities guys that need to maintain systems, not just at a local level, but up at an enterprise level. It's for superintendents that need to do emergencies across the district or need to do things like early releases or anything that they would do at a local level to pull that into an enterprise level to that single pane of glass.
VEMASS communicates to individual campus controllers. These are devices that are at the individual facilities that you might have sprinkled around a campus or sprinkled around the entire United States. Those devices communicate in a bidirectional fashion with VEMASS so that if there is an issue at that site that needs to be communicated up to the enterprise software, we can do that from the site. But from the enterprise side, we can also push information down to those individual sites. It allows that complete bidirectional control or bidirectional communications to facilities and that enterprise view, that single pane of glass view of all of the systems that you are managing on a day-to-day basis or in emergency situations.
Here at Valcom, we make it very easy for you to leverage existing equipment or give you a upgrade path to get to the latest and greatest software to be able to use with VEMASS.
VEMASS is set up to be able to retrofit any Valcom system, all the way back to the analog systems that we've been building for over 40 years. So we have IP gateways, retrofit gateways that can come in and take over those existing systems that you have. Valcom or other, actually. We could take over those 45 ohm Valcom systems, the 25 and 70 volt systems manufactured by others. We could take over that legacy equipment and use that.
By adding in VEMASS, not only can you control your systems at a local level and you have that survivability at a local level, but it also gives you that district level control, that enterprise level control.
VEMASS can enhance communications. It may be day-to-day type operations where we are improving your operational efficiency, or it could be that we are really improving the efficiency of your emergency action plans and speeding things up during emergencies and being able to draw all these different systems together, utilize the best features of different systems to be able to communicate that life-saving emergency information and automate your emergency action plans.
VEMASS can monitor the local systems to be able to monitor the endpoints. If it's a failure on a particular device or particular piece of software that resides locally, that reports back up to VEMASS. That way you can have all of your maintenance in that single pane of glass. We keep a record of it so that you can pull reports off of there should you have inconsistencies or consistencies in failures, so you can troubleshoot those failures or outages.
The maintenance module within VEMASS allows you to monitor all of the Valcom IP devices that you have in your facility. If a particular device goes offline, you're immediately notified. The people that care are notified, the maintenance or the facilities people. It allows you to supervise every single component of your Valcom communication system. Not only that, but once you're notified, you can actually, through VEMASS, troubleshoot the issue. So without ever leaving your desk, you're notified that there is an issue. You can immediately log onto the system and you can troubleshoot that particular device. You may resolve the issue right over your network, or at the very least, you're going to know exactly what devices you're going to troubleshoot, where they're located, and maybe what spare parts you need to take with you.
VEMASS gives you that standard operating procedure across all departments, whether that's your facilities department, whether that's your administration department, whether that's IT. VEMASS gives you that commonality and that functionality out of one UI across your entire organizational district.